Guys, what's up? This is Michael Herrera. I'm doing a video. I'm gonna do a cover video on what song do I have? You know what? I'm just gonna talk for today. But yeah. First off, how you guys doing? I'm doing okay, but I had a doctor's appointment, so I didn't really go to school. Thought that I might make a video, but yeah, I'm doing fine. There's really nothing about my day today, but
Fuck you, bitch! Fuck you!
Okay, that was my grandpa. But but that the
Fuck that
grandpa? Okay, but there's really nothing to my day. I'm just making a quick video on about,
Hey, motherfucker! I'll beat you over a goddamn piece of brimstone and fuck you in the ass! You son of a bitch! Let you suck my dick for fun! God, man, I wish I could marry on you right now! Come back to my house, motherfucker! Come back again! I'll goddamn destroy you! You goddamn faggot face looking motherfucker!
okay. That was not expected. I'm gonna have to add that out. But, um, but, um, but how's, I wanna know you guys' thoughts about Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton running for president. Me personally, I think it's a wrong idea because, they can mess up the United States, in my opinion. But,
You know how bad I hate cats. I hate cats more than I hate Obama.
well, we ain't talking about that right now, Grandpa. But, anyways, how do you guys, what do you guys represent? Are you a Democrat, Republican, liberal, liberal, like, a Dominican? What do you guys
I'm
represent?
going to jail, Michael!
Okay, we'll worry about that in our time, but anyways, ignore the background, but, like, how do you guys think about it? How does you guys feel about it? Kids, if you're 6 years old and you're watching this stuff, then still comment down what you think about it. They might be talking about this in school, right? But
You can also kiss my ass.
Alright. But, like, like, do you think it's a good thing or a bad thing? Like, who do you think gonna win? Who do you think gonna lose? Like, it's kind of hard for me. Donald Trump is getting lead votes, so maybe Donald Trump might win. I don't know, but like, how do you guys think about it? Like, do you think it's a, like, I keep saying this, but like, do you guys think, like, who do you think will make a good president? And who do you think will not lead us to World War III? Like, like, we're having, like, a ton of terrorist attacks, like, minor or big, but
I'm sorry, who'd you say you were?
a Michael, but, anyways, like, that was Barack Obama. Barack Obama's here with me. But, I don't know, like,
So what are you saying?
oh, Barack Obama, what I'm saying is that, to me, it's kind of sad that you're going. It's kind of sad.
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm here.
No, and I don't mean like that. I meant like you leaving the office. Like,
Racist?
no, that's not racist.
I'm telling you, man, this stuff will poison your mind.
Yeah, politics does poison your mind, but I'm not gonna talk to you. I'm talking to the viewers here. But anyways, like, do you think that, like, I don't know, like,
My grandfather was a Muslim.
well, Barack Obama, that's good. Never mind. But, oh, now I forgot. Oh, like, do you think, like Donald Trump, do you think we should build a wall? Like, is it a good thing that, the immigrants are coming in, or bad? To me, I don't really care about that. I just care about stuff.
A choice between right and wrong.
Yes, Barack Obama, you're totally right. But,
Buy your own damn fries.
oh, you're not gonna share, you greedy bastard? Okay. Alright, I see how it is.
Man, I'm not going to any more of these bullshit Puno parties.
These parties? Wait, what did he say?
Man, I'm not going to any more of these bullshit Puno parties.
Puno? I don't know what you're saying, man. Well, anyways, I
Why
don't...
didn't you buy a new dress for the party?
Oh, you're taking me to the party? I thought this dress was perfect. I don't...
Why don't you come by on Sunday?
I'm kind of busy on Sundays. I mean, like... Can we do, like, a Saturday, or something?
You don't understand.
I'm busy! I'm trying to, Barack Obama.
Damn, I'm late for class.
Barack Obama, don't do this.
I don't see you doing any better in the booty department.
But the booty department is not...
I drank beer heavily and tried drugs enthusiastically.
Okay, alright, well, leave down a comment and stuff to see why. and stuff, so I'm gonna post this whenever I can. So tell me who you think is gonna win, tell me who you don't think will win, all that stuff. But I gotta go. Bye.